I'll teach you how to cook oyakodon in this video. It's super easy, high in protein, healthy and filling. There's no reason not to make it. Here's the ingredient list. The procedure is in the description box. I moved from Chiba to Tokyo in January, and this is actually the first time I'm shooting a long video in my new place. The kitchen setup has changed quite a bit. There's only one built-in stove, so I added a portable IH burner. I always use both when I cook. There's nowhere to get anything down with just one. It made me wonder, do people who live alone in Tokyo just not cook? In my previous apartment, I used to place a dining table right behind the stove and use it as a prep counter. But now, the kitchen is basically a narrow hallway with no counter space at all. So both a cabinet and now do most of my prep work on top of that. There's also no space to dry dishes. I got a floor rack for draining dishes. But since the hallway is so narrow, I have to place it right under the stove, so I basically cook through the dish rack. It's as inconvenient as it sounds. The first month was tough. I really struggled with how impractical everything felt. I slowly got used to it, and now I'm totally fine with them. In fact, I've grown to love this apartment. It gets tons of natural light, which makes me really happy. There's a big closet too, so I can keep things hidden away and organized. Over time, I started to get a clearer image of what kind of space I wanted to create, and I decided to go with an orange theme. The outside of the apartment building is very orange, so it just felt right to match the interior as well. I've always liked blue, so I already have some soft muted blue paintings. I also have a mini Persian style rug in light blue, yellow and green tones, and a blue and orange kitchen mat I bought after moving here. All of them go perfectly with the new theme. I even switched out my kitchen soap bottles and hand wash for orange ones, and added a gold ornament my mum gave me. Now the space feels a lot more like me, and it's finally starting to feel like home. Sume ba miyako is a Japanese expression to mean home is where you make it. But I'm still not a big fan of supermarket selections out here. I miss Chiba so much for that.
Spinning my head around. I only want you, baby, that's the truth, 'cause I see time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment, so I can take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed together. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to see? Face on deep.
For the side dishes, I made 2 types of salads. Both are very easy. This is Mitsuba and red cabbage salad.
I wanna make her better. Wipe the makeup from her face. I wish I heard it better. I really didn't want to say. I wanna wear her sweat. And I'll break down in my room. 'Cause there's nothing sweeter.
You toss them in dressing made out of olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, salt and pepper.
And the better taste of you. Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it, so I'm riding what
Added a canned tuna. I think crushed walnuts will work greatly too.
close you used to want all of me. What's the reason for your tears, and what's the reason for your fears? In my mind I'm kissing you, and my dog she misses you. Can we?
This is cucumber and wakame seaweed sunomono, aka lightly pickled salad. It's one of the classic Japanese home food. My mum made me countless times. My mom's version often had octopus in it. The recipe is in the description box again. It's tangy, light and crunchy. It's a good palate cleanser, said my partner. I never thought of it, but I guess it's true.
Better taste of
Hey, how's your day? I don't know if I'm interrupting what you say. You've got to know if I've been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I can take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. We found it, baby. I know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching when you came into my life. So I'm done making my mind up now, 'cause you've been spinning my head around.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll talk to you again. Please let me know what kind of videos you like to see from me. Bye bye.
Stops for a